Hey everyone, this is a preview of the new variable images tool. The way that it works is it follows along with the logic that we had previously created and put into this help article, personalization variable images. The first thing you have to do is get a list together with a publicly available image file for each of the columns. And so, as we did in the article, I use this tool called IMGUR. I've uploaded a couple of logos and a couple of store locations here, and then I've added them into my list. What's interesting is that you can have multiple variable images per template. So I've got a company logo image and a store location image. It's important that you know the dimensions. The company logos are each 300 by 160. The store locations are each 581 by 262. So then I drop into a template. There is now a new variable image button that you can drag to where you want it to be. And then when you click on it, it will pop up the variable image control over here on the right. And so you can use a generic image like this, but it's far more effective to actually map a specific list. And you can see that I had mapped the logos to variable field 1, but the size is not correct. So what I'm going to do is resize this to 300 by 160. And now that is the correct size for the logos for this list. And then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to add another variable image down further. Click, go back to the list, choose variable field 2 this time, and I'm going to add the proper dimensions, 581 by 262. And so now store location is here, and I can relock it and shrink this so it stays proportional. Okay, so now I've got two variable images in the template. I'm going to go to the proofer so you can see how it all works. So I click proof, list data, choose my list again, and start proofing here. So you can see that this proof pulled the longest first and last name, and then this particular set of images, random record, there it is. So Postalytics, and then the other footlocker.